Hey, it's Greg Schenkel with the 3 main reasons you should enroll your supervisors, managers, and team leaders in the 2-day Frontline Leadership Program. Number 1, we speak the language of industry. Unlike other more generic programs, we use examples that your supervisors can immediately apply to their manufacturing, distribution, and operations environment. Number 2, flexibility. When you send a few of your people to join with other supervisors from other organizations, it allows them to get the skills they need and for you to maintain your production schedule. And finally, number 3, applying the skills. Even though your team is going to have an amazing experience at the 2-day workshop, the real value comes when they apply those skills back on the job. So using our application journal process, along with a coaching conversation with their manager, they'll be able to maximize the impact from your training investment. Enroll your supervisors today and start seeing the benefits to your organization.